In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add pages to your Shopify. Now, let's say that you want to add about page or contact page. Okay, you can add as many pages as you want. Let me show you how you can do that. Just open your Shopify store, and after that, guys, you just want to click on online store in the left. Now, a few different options will come up here. You want to click on pages. Now, next thing, guys, you want to do is you want to, as you can see, you can find here contact page. Now, if you click on contacts, you can then say something like we respond within 24 hours or anything like that. So you can customize this as you want. But let's say that you want to add another page. For example, if you don't have here contact page, you can click on add page in the top. Now, if you want to add contact page or about page or any page you want, you just want to click on add page in the top right. And here you can name the page. So for example, about, we are a company. This is just an example. Just add the description for the page. And now scroll down a little bit, and here you can customize this as you want. Okay, now the next thing you want to do, guys, after you add here the page, if you want to add the video to the page or anything like that, click on this insert video. And here you have to get the embed. Okay, if you don't know how to get the video, just click like how to add video to your page. Just click the video in the screen, and you will be able to learn how you can add the video to page from YouTube or any other websites. Okay, so yeah, after that you want to click on save in the top right. And that's all you need to do, guys, to add a page to your Shopify. Now, if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.